Hello. If you're using a MacBook, sometimes you might be wondering what's draining your battery. You recharge your MacBook after a short period of time, the battery runs down. Sometimes the battery is not the problem, the MacBook is not the problem, but the problem is the amount of resources that are running on your MacBook. I will show you how you can find out. And this is one of the easiest ways. On your MacBook, just click on the battery icon at the top. Down where it says using significant energy, you can see the applications on my MacBook that are consuming most of the energy. So when you check this, you found out what it is. What you then need to do is to go on, if you wish, and close that application or those applications that are listed under using significant energy. After that, you will see that your MacBook battery would improve. I hope this has been helpful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like my channel.